Okay. What's with my hair? I know you might find this like nasty and non-ladylike, but I don't care. So I'm gonna be burping. You will go. Cause like last year I burped supercalifragilisticexpialidocious at field day. You can ask all my friends if you knew my friends. So if you don't believe me, I don't know if I can do supercalifragilisticexpialidocious right now, but I will try and do it like in a couple minutes. So I'm gonna just burp randomly. So this is gonna sound nasty. So just. Holy crap, I just choked. Okay, now I'm gonna try and burp watermelon. Abby told me to do that a lot, so I'm gonna do it. Watermelon. My name is... Oh, I almost got it. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. My name is Ash. Oh! My name is... Oh, shit. Shh. Watch your party mouth, Ashlyn. I totally forgot what I was going to say. Oh, yeah. Duh. My name is Ashlyn. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I'm so close. My name is Ashlyn. Oh! Okay. Don't laugh at me if I fail. I'm going to try supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I just choked again. Why do I choke all the time? What the crap? Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I did it! Ah! First try forever. Did you hear it? You heard it. I bet you I can do that word in the back of the dictionary that's like blah, 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 blah. No, nobody could do that. I can't even say it, let alone burp it. I'm going to see how far I can get in the alphabet, the English alphabet, in one burp. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I got to J. J for JC. A, B, C, D. I got to E. Oh, I forgot. Another thing. My dog just looked at me weird. Another thing J could stand for would be, oh yeah, Justin Bieber! I'm just super caught first, but like, again. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Oh, no! You heard me do it the other time, so don't say I can't do it, because I just did it! Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Abby, I hope you're watching this. I'm going to tell you to watch it. You better watch it, girl. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. There's your proof. Ashlyn Renner can burp supercalifragilisticexpialidocious in one burp. And she can go all the way to J, today, in her alphabet in one burp. And she can burp... I know. Hold on. I love you. Take two. I love you, Abigail. My dog and my bestie. Did you hear my dog burp? She burped right before I did it. She was like, it's in the family. If you think this is cool, which it kind of is, it's kind of nasty and it's kind of funny at the same time because Abby's face gets as red as a tomato when I do it. If you want to see me do this again, send me a message. Just put, can you burp, blah, 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 blah. I bet you I can burp, blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah.